Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect WhatsApp to N8n. So let's get started. The first thing we need is a trigger to activate our workflow. We'll start with the WhatsApp Business Cloud node. Search for WhatsApp, select WhatsApp Business Cloud, and choose the Messages option. This node will act as a trigger, listening for incoming messages on your WhatsApp account. Next, we need to set up credentials to connect N8n with your WhatsApp business account. For this, you'll need your client ID and client secret. Since WhatsApp Business is managed through Meta, these credentials must be generated from your Facebook Business Manager account. Here's how to do it. Go to business.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook account. If you're new to Business Manager, you'll need to create a business portfolio. And then, navigate to Business Settings and provide the required details like your business name and email, then click Create Business. Now, once your business portfolio is set up, choose the business account you created. From the left-hand menu, go to Accounts then Apps, then click Add and create a new app ID. And then, enter an app name, add your contact email, and proceed. Select Other, then Business, and continue to the next step. Finally, click Create App. After the app is created, open it and go to App Settings Basic. Here you'll find your app ID and app secret. Copy the app ID and paste it into N8n, then reveal the app secret, copy it, and paste that into N8n as well. And here you successfully connected your WhatsApp to N8n. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.